Hello everyone, this is Arnav here. So the purpose of this video is to installing thor-lite or use thor-lite in a Kali environment. Additionally, I'll try to show how to write your own custom YARA rules to use with thor-lite. So first, let's get into the things. Yeah. So if you watched my previous video for the Windows one, I have shared the importance link for where to download the thor-lite and the thor-lite manual, and also I shared a GitHub repository for YARA rules. For this one, I have also added another additional URLs for like getting help for YARA rules. So if you go to this link, you'll find enough information for YARA rules. But I will not go to the link to show you each step. Rather, I will show you a block of YARA rules that I have got from this link, and I'll explain it like in a simpler way. So let's get into the part where I'll be showing the YARA rules. thor-lites. So for the thor-lites in the Kali machines, it has the similar functionality as the Windows one. So we have to work through our command line prompt or the terminal in the Linux environment. So I have already went into my environment for the terminal folder for the thor-lites. So these are the list of the files usually you will have for the thor-lites. Usually these are the parts that I have my own scannings, previous scannings. So these are the scannings, and the rest of the files are related to thor-lite files. Same as the Windows one, and you will see that we have a custom signature folder where you'll see a different category of similar folders like IOC, miscellaneous, Sigma, and YARA. So here we will also put our custom signature in the YARA folders. Additionally, if you want to write your own YARA rules, let me show you one YARA rules that I have copied the block from the YARA rules documentations. So let me sudo nano malware signature YARA. So yes, so usually YARA rules, you start the YARA rules writing the defining, say it's a rule, then you give the name of the rules. Here I have written it from the example rules block, so here is the example rules. Then you start with the curly bracket opening and curly brackets end. Then you have the metadata. So metadata usually describes what is the rule is, who is the author, what is the description. If you want to add version number, you can add the version number. If you want to add the dates when it was first written, you can add it here in the metadata part. Then comes the string part. Here I am showing for the rules for string analysis. Like if you want to analyze a string of malware and you want to create your own rule based on the string, you usually follow it this way. Like you usually give a variable name for your string and you put the string name that you want to detect. And also for the string you can do hexadecimal detection. Sorry. So if you, for your like hexadecimal string detections, like you give a variable name, then you want to define the hexadecimal part that you want to detect for a specific signature block of malware. Then the later part comes is the condition part. conditions usually you can say so like variable 1 or variable 2. If one of them is detected, then your rule will be detecting the malware, or when the thor-lite or independently you are running the YARA rules, it will detect it. Or you can write variable 1 and variable 2, like both of them are present in a malware, then you will detect the trigger the conditions. Or you can do by writing two of them or all of them. Like what it will say is like similar to like if all of them are present in the, for example, let me show, then you can write two of them. You can write this way like are all of them. So if all of them are found the strings that you have written in the condition, then it will trigger the condition whenever it finds all of the strings in the malware signature. So that is the basic understanding of the YARA rules. So then if you want to scan your system using your custom signature, then you have to move your signature into the custom signature in the YARA customs, under the custom signature folder in YARA thor-lites. Then in the YARA folder you'll put your for example here, put your custom signature. For here I have one YARA rules. This YARA rules will be in your custom YARA rules will be in the custom signature folder. After let's say after copying your YARA rules into the custom signature folder under the YARA folder, you will have to update your custom signatures for the thor-lite. So this way you have to do is like thor-lite light-util, then you have to write update. If you run the thor-lite-util update, then it will update your YARA custom signatures, whatever the custom signature you have created newly. It will update the signature files, and also it will connect with the thor-lite server to update its own signature that is resides within the thor-lite. Then you can run the command thor-lite linux /64 to find to scan the whole system within the using the signature that is available within the thor-lite. It will scan the system using the custom signature and the signature owned by the thor-lites or written by the thor-lites. You can do this way, or you can do same way if for the Windows, like custom only flag with the one dash custom only, then it will start scanning with the only custom signature that you have placed in the custom signature rule. So it will keep scanning. After the scanning is done, it will create you some reports like this. Similarly, like for the Windows one, we also have to place the license file in the thor-lite folder. Here is my license. That part I have missed. So after the scanning is complete, for this one I have previously generated output for the scanning that I have completed beforehand in a couple of days before. So it gave me like a text file and HTML file. If I go to the HTML file, it will give me a better preview of the scanning warning, alerts, error, whatever the scanner was able to get. This is a much more better view than the text document file, because it will give you in unformatted way, but here in the HTML file you'll get a formatted way for the warnings or the triggers or alerts. So that is the pretty much it of the thor-lite using with the YARA rules. So whenever you are using YARA rules, you can use your custom signature, you can use some thor-lite's own signatures. It is up to you based on your preference. Usually thor-lites are always try to stay updated with the malware that is available that is found around the internet or around the the world, so they try to keep updated the signature. Unless you want to report your own malware that you have recently found out, or you have found in your system or other system, you want to create your custom signature, you can. It is a really grateful or useful tool to do so. So that is the all for this video. I will end my video. I don't want to drag it long. So thank you so much. Have a wonderful day, and let me know if I have made any mistakes. I'll try to fix it and try to correct it. Thank you so much. I'll let my scanning fee get done here and get back to you, or I'll return with you another video. Thank you so much.